Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Medieval Empires token. Ticker symbol is MEE. This token is just about to be listed in 2 days on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Medieval Empires. Ticker symbol MEE. This token is just about to be listed December 19th at 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically, on December 19th, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with UTC, fund your account with USDT, and that's what it's paired with. And then you'd go into the trade section and you would search MEE, the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. I really like Mexc Global as an exchange because they have super low fees compared to a lot of other exchanges out there. Now, if you want to find more info on this token, you can head over to their Twitter, which is at Medieval Empires. They are verified on Twitter. They have 107,700 Twitter followers. Very well established project here. It says their token launch, just in general, comes out on December 19th, powered by Polygon. So this is just like the initial coin listing, is it's coming on to Mexc Global on the day it comes out. So that's amazing. If you're looking to get this token, that's the place to be. So, adventurous blockchain strategy game. Draw your sword, dive in, and build your medieval empire. On their Twitter, you can find a link to their webpage, which is medievalempires.com. So, there is going to be a deposit to share 1,000 MX rewards event on Mexc Global as well. And that's on Mexc Global's Twitter that you can see about this token here. So they have a total supply of 3 billion MEE tokens. They do have a full white paper listed on here as well. It says, scroll down here, pop-ups. All right, delve deep into the fantastical and historical world of medieval empires. Learn all about what this elaborate multiplayer online strategy game has to offer. The purpose, this is about the paper. Okay, so Medieval Empires is an elaborate multiplayer online strategy game set in what is known as the modern-day Turkey during the late 13th century. The storyline of the game initially focuses on Ertuğrul Gazi, a tribal warrior and celebrated leader of the KCEX tribe. In the game, the leader of the KCEX Turkic tribe, Gazi, will face off against the King of England, Edward I, a.k.a. Edward Longshanks, a.k.a. Hammer of the Scots, who is expanding a successful Ninth Crusade across Europe to the Holy Land. The game is set in a passive PvE arena and starts with players building towns while trading, fighting, and forging alliances. Continuous battles will help expand the world map into an ever-evolving game universe. Goals for players include daily missions, general tasks, and story missions, with progression based on successful completion of these tasks and missions. The game will evolve as new leaders and regions are introduced for players to explore and dominate. In addition to the Turkic tribes of English Crusaders, new factions will be added in the game in the near future, including but not limited to the Mongols, Byzantines, and Mamluks. Medieval Empires is built on the Polygon blockchain, which provides several great features including player reach, developer ecosystem, low gas fees, security, and speed. In addition to that, it also is eco-friendly in comparison to other blockchains. The game will be available on PC, Windows, Mac, OS X, and mobile, iOS, and Android, with all platforms being fully interoperable. The team behind Medieval Empires is highly competent and vastly experienced in the fields of game development and blockchain technology. So the company is Moon Gaming, and it says Moon Gaming is a blockchain-based gaming studio working on its first project, Medieval Empires. Then it goes over the team and their focus and all that type of stuff. There is a game overview on here, but it's very similar to what I just said. So there's different sections on their white paper here that you could check over, talking about the player's journeys, the player goals, gameplay, heroes, units, land, actor tie-ins, battle system, missions and tasks, events and rewards, features of the game, factions in the Medieval Empires, the future of Medieval Empires, the tech behind Medieval Empires, team section, advisors and partners, contact, disclaimers, risks, all that type of stuff. Let's go over to token allocation. So token allocation is split up like this. Initial market cap estimate for this project, $870,000. We got 4% going to public sale, 20% going to gameplay, 5% going to exchange liquidity, 29% going to the treasury, 5% airdrops, 15% team, 1% socials, 14% seed, 7% private sales. So they're all split up in different ways. Their roadmap is on here as well, and they're talking about coming out with the website, social media, white paper, MG and ME website, story trailer, seed and private round, community growth, AMAs. Then we got public announcements, token generation, community events, cinematic trailer, online and offline community events, and then different game milestones. So check this all out. You can find this listed on the 19th on Mexc Global. Check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And why don't you guys leave a comment down there letting me know what you guys think about this project and the token. Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.